Hi, this is Christopher, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use rewards in your conversations and flows with your end users, and how you can reward specific actions in the customer journey. How everything starts is that we have in the company settings, you can set up different kinds of rewards. Rewards are everything from specific kinds of gift cards to rewards such as donations or even your own reward that you might have in your company, like a bonus program or something like that. Talk to your agent, account manager, that if you have a question about it, and that person will help you setting things up. But in this case, we have set up Smok Coins as the main reward system that we have on the platform. So what we have then is how you go about this. Is that the first thing you need to do is to create a new flow. And that you do by going here, and then let's just start from scratch. And then we call it reward customer to become a user. Let's call it that. We'll make it in English, and then we create the flow. And now it loads the studio. What you see now is we are going to do a few actions that we can do. So after the first element, we say, hello, answer some questions, and we will reward you. Great. If you look at the settings menu here, you will see that in the reward section, you have set up with Smok Coins that are our special test coin that you can use for internal stuff when testing flows and so on. So again, ask your account manager to set this up. The first thing we're going to do is give a reward while answering a question. And what you use to give rewards is a reward promo. And let's create a new reward promo. And as you see here, there are different kinds of reward promos. You can just give a reward by displaying an image or a display promo. You can give a reward if you click a specific link to an external site. You can give a reward by watching a YouTube video. You can give a reward by finding a specific thing on a site, like a secret, and then going back and entering that secret, and you will get reward. And then you have a conversion promo. But what we're going to do this time is that we're actually going to not do that in the first element. We'll come back to it now afterwards. What we're going to do is we are going to give a reward by answering a survey. So, or let's do the following. Let's make a display promo. That could be good. So we go to the next step. Obviously, you need to want to enter a image. So let's find some image that we want. Image test. So we can have that. Let's use this image here. And we download that image. And save image as. And save. And then it comes up here on the top. And then go back, and then we add this image from Chrome into this image here. Then you see you have a promo here. And then look at this. And then you have header text is test image. And you'll see here that there's a preview here, test description. And then we'll go down, and the next step is we need to put a Smok Coins in it. It's donated in NOX in this case, because that's what's set up on the company, but you can use any currency you want. But let's say it's a 1-to-1. 100 Smok Coins is 100 NOX in this case. That's what it costs. And you need to have a balance in order to make your promo. So that is also something your account manager will solve for you. So what it's doing now, it's creating this promo for the Smok coins. And then once it's done, you have this in the flow. And then if you look at the flow, you will see how this is made. So let's just test the flow so we can see how it looks. This is in a test tab. So you comment here, good afternoon, how does it reward you? And then you say test, and then you have the Smok coins. One thing that I forgot here, I can see, is that I forgot to activate the reward menu. You want to have that on as well. So we can go here on styling, and then you can go in menu settings, and then you can activate the reward menu. Here you go. And that will give you a reward on the top of the screen. So if we go back to this test, you should now have, it will be coming up here in the corner. Here we go. So, and then you see it here, 100 Smok coins, and there you see it increased to 100. So that's essentially the way you can sort of have a dialogue with the customer around it. And obviously you add text and these kind of things on the different elements. So let's go back and say, okay, you have this test promo, but then we want to create a survey question, because you can also reward that. So create a new survey question, and we say, question, rewarded, want to be rewarded? Question, of course. And the other answer is yes, because you will get reward no matter what in this case. And then we can add it here to rewarded, and then you can say it's, let's say 55 NOK for the reward. And if you want to share it, you have 0, so it's not any shared reward on this case. And then you create the survey, and now this will be a rewarded survey question that you just created. So 2 secs, and then it will be created. It's processing here. Here we go. So if you go back and edit this survey question, you will see that this is, of course, a rewarded question. So that's how it's been set up. But if we go into the test flow now and look at it, you will see, and open a new tab. I might need to save it first. We'll see. So that's 100 Smok coins, and then here, want to be rewarded, and then you get 33 points if you answer this question right, and you got it. So 33, and then it's on. Okay, perfect. So this is like, you would probably make it a little bit more creative than what I'm trying here now, but it shows you the idea of how you can give rewards. And then finally, we are going to give you a reward if you sign up. And that's the last step of this journey. So we'll just add it directly under here. We'll say new rewarded promo, but we'll call it a conversion promo. This is not a recommender promo. I'll have a upcoming video that will show you how that works. Then you take the next step. We can use this image we just got again, so making it super simple here. And then you will here then write promo name is become customer promo. And then you take sign up and receive your reward. And then you can have then a button name, sign up. And we'll make it as simple as this now. You can do quite a bit of stuff, but make sure that this customer, when it comes in, so the registration form would be, you can look at it, how it looks. So if you click again, you will see here how it will look. So sign up here. That's like the header text. And then we'll add email, first name and last name. And let's say, yeah, you can do all kinds of things, but yeah, let's keep it at that. Pretty simple, but you see here many different kinds of data points you can collect. And let's say this is 1,000 Smok coins. Perfect. And then we create the reward promo. It takes just a few secs, and then it's here. So now you have the sign up thing here, and it creates the reward promo. And basically, when you become a customer, when you do this, so let's update this. And now to test this, we will open an incognito window, because this is essentially a new customer, and you don't want to do that in the testing phase. So we open it like this. I just copied the link. I do like this, and then we say test company, good afternoon. Here, answer questions, and we will reward you. And then of course you get, this is 100, and then I say yes on this, and I get 33 more. And then finally, you will get a promo here for this system. Sometimes it takes a while to get this registered. Let's see one more time here. Yeah, we need to update this. This is the reason. So here we go. So let's copy this again. Do like that. And then it should be working. So I say yes, and then sign up here. And then we say, well, I'll use Christopher, but we'll use some bogus. Christopher is my name, by the way. So this is my email. So we'll say video maker Kvam, like that, at smok.ai. So I'm registered like that, and then I register like this, and now I'm registered. I should have a message after that, but now my profile is registered. I did this in an incognito window, but what we can see now, and this is going to be exciting, is to see this customer is actually registered on our platform. So what you do then is you go into the contacts phase here, and then what you'll see is here you have video maker Kvam to be issued, and then I'm set up as a lead here. I can change this to a customer. It's just a little small area here, and then I would get an extra reward on this. And then finally, I can then issue the rewards for this customer. And in that way, so let's see if we can show you how that looks. And then you can issue the customer. So we'll make it a customer like this. And what you'll see is, did you see that the to be issued here increased to 1,033? So now, if I now can issue this reward, we have a separate infrastructure that can actually give the reward away. I hope this gives you an idea of how you can use rewards in different kinds of elements. This is obviously a very hypothetical example, but it gives you the essence of how rewards work on Smok. So good luck with your own campaigns, and we are very happy to help you when the time comes. Thank you very much.